Alright, it's extremely hot out, but I'm gonna go for a bike ride. I just got a new GoPro Hero 12, which is obviously what I'm recording on right now. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So hot out. Oh. Oh, I'm so tired. No hands. I've been trying to do a thing where for this summer I go on a bike ride every day. I don't know how that's gonna go because this week is supposed to be all in the 90s and really bad humidity. So yeah. Actually, there's no cars. Whee! I want to try and do a wheelie, but I'm so sore from playing in a pool that I don't even know if I'm able to. Oh! Honestly, right now it's not that bad because the sun's covered up by a cloud, but I feel like by the time I get to where I'm going, that cloud's gonna be gone and I'm going to be burning up. So yeah, really hope that doesn't affect me very much. Who knows? This camera might be a little shaky because this road is very bumpy. Okay, here we go. Gosh dang it. Gosh. It's like impossible. Ugh. Bump. Ugh. Alright. I don't know what to really talk about. But yeah, I just like to go to a park, chill. I wonder if I could fit through here without. Ooh, yeah. I don't trust that. What a day. Bump. I think I might go swing. Nah, I'll swing on the way back. Oh, my hair's sticking up. Let's see, how bad is it? Yeah. Oh, gosh dang it. Let me get my camera open. Whoa, trying to crash over here? Going shade, see. Ooh. Oh, that. Oh. Oh, my hair, bro. Oh, that's so bad. Us, 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 us. What am I doing, bro? No hands. Let's see. Actually, no, I don't have internet, so. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. I don't know if it's still recording, so. Oh. Oh, gotta sneeze, but I can't sneeze. Hate when that happens. Oh, I feel so weird riding with a GoPro on my head. I don't know why it's so embarrassing. Oh, that person is cranked the AC all the way up for sure. Well, that is a nice Hellcat. That is a nice car. There's flowers everywhere. Why do I keep singing the freaking, gosh dang it, what's it called? Jurassic World theme song. Do 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 do. Oh, I really want to jump in a pool right now. Just finished swimming in a kiddie pool. I was at my grandma's house hanging out with my little cousins and my other cousins, which is the same age as me. And we decided to get a kiddie pool out. Our little cousins were swimming and then they were done, so me and one of my cousins, my younger cousins, not super young, he's almost the same age as me, we decided to hop in the pool, in the kiddie pool. Oh, it was freezing, but it felt so good. I just want to do that right now. I'm gonna see if my camera is still recording. I don't know, so I have to see. I don't know where that light's at. So. Yeah, it's still recording. See the light blinking. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh. Bro, I want to go in my pocket. Oof, oof, this. Oh my gosh, this GoPro is. Alright, well, it's scary. As long as I don't crash, it's fun to do. But here goes nothing. Some loose gravel, so. Dang it, that was that fun. So that's a loose gravel there. It's like when I drive through it, just, I don't know, it's weird. Well, that's kind of weird. Do 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 do. Swing break. Take a break and swing. Oh, this thing is impossible to pedal through grass. Oh, my back. Yeah, an old grandpa back. And I'm gonna go in the one in the shade. Well, let's hop on here. Where's that bug? I don't know, but I hear bugs somewhere. Yeah, still recording.